Menteri Ketana Tungok Hai Pertai Bapa Lengdo Obadairu Uchaman Jong Regional Committee Jong ka West Castle District Hawakran Gunung Tok Kubor Halor Kejinga Pynbeit Port Ulayatu Bagi Regional Committee Kinlek Bencure Pia Gitu Kijaka Watapo Obenai Risau Kin Pendep No Benai Ti Yaka Kaipon Syaki Arngut ke Menteri Rangba Katau Menteri Rangba Jong Kejela Asam Badu Menteri Rangba Jong Kejela Meghalaya shuh Ulayaturu Managliang ki Regional Committee kisapan kre ya kakai pot mat boro artli kin saya kren mat lada kalong kin IT tang kawai kakai pot habai dei ke jingwan shna surak jong ke sarkar Assam sha ke jela Meghalaya nagliang oba pol ulong bakum kini ki jia pat kin yai jia hanrai shisien ba kilala ban Pynbeit yau pudusam kanam mi isu kum kini ki jingjia.
We're supposed to complete everything within October. That is the site visit and submission of the final report. As soon as our counterparts from Assam are free, Mr. Patwari is currently on tour. Once he reaches Guwahati, we should be able to finalize on the dates. But everything will be completed within October of this year. Within October. Both the site visit and the submission of the report. We will try to come up with a report that both the state, the two committees share, which means it will be a comprehensive single report prepared by the two regional committees. That is bound to happen. It has been happening for several decades now. But I can assure you that once we are in a position to finally settle all areas wherever we have differences, which is now 6 areas. I mean, from 12 now it has come down to 6. Once that is in place, we will be able to resolve the matter. 2 is we are also strengthening the state police. You're aware that currently about 2,500 young youths are undergoing training. They will complete their training in the next couple of months and then join the state police. And apart from that, about 4,000 new vacancies will also be filled up subsequently, meaning by next year. See, these are the final recommendation of the two regional committees. Since we are going also to the sites, that will form the basis of the final MOU. So you might have picked up name of a village, 1 or 2, but finally it'll be what the two regional committees will recommend, and hopefully we will do that jointly so that it becomes easier for the two state governments to then accept it. The first phase, this committee has a very clear terms of reference, and that includes only the unresolved part, not the part that was dealt in the first MOU.